Welcome back to the Sarvaa podcast. I'm Joshua Hoffman, and today we're going to be learning about the microbiome. Your microbiome is the whole ecosystem of trillions, yes, capital T, bacteria, viruses, yeast, fungi, and their inevitable genetic material that exists in and on your body. It is the precursor to nearly every healthy functioning happening inside of you. There are both helpful and harmful strains of all of these members of your microbiome, and how these populations interact and decide which of them get to thrive affects your overall health, your genetic expression, your immune system, and your mind and mood. Your microbiome plays a fundamental role in your chronic pain, autoimmune disease, quality of immune response, chronic and seasonal allergies, cancer cell autophagy, energy levels, mood and inflammation, and your body's ability to detox properly. Your microbiome is everywhere, in you and on you. It exists in your gut, your mouth, other mucosal tissues, on your skin and scalp, and even under your nails. By prioritizing taking care of your microbiome, you're laying the foundation of your body's ability to thrive. Nearly an infinite level of activities happening in your body rises out of the activities happening in your microbiome. Damaging your microbiome can eventually damage your intestinal lining. It can interrupt your ability to assimilate nutrients. It can limit your immune system's robustness and flexibility. Further, it will diminish your ability to produce healthy hormones and lead to chronic pain and eventually disease. Things that can damage your microbiome include chronic stress, taking antibiotics, eating processed foods like seed oils, sugar, gluten, and processed flours, as well as not eliminating things like parasites and heavy metals from your body. Further, if you are not taking a probiotic, not eating enough prebiotic fibers, if you're drinking alcohol or smoking, or you're exposed to pesticides and herbicides, you can further damage your microbiome. Taking care of your microbiome can be done in a few easy steps. Number one, eliminate toxic processed foods like seed oils and sugar from your diet. If you want to take it further, consider removing processed flours and gluten from your diet as well. If you do these things, even just one of them, I guarantee you will start to feel better almost immediately. Number two, take a daily probiotic with a high strain count and a high CFU count. If you can get a probiotic with soil-based organisms in it, this is ideal because SBOs survive your stomach acid and make it down into your lower digestive tract where you really need them. Number three, eat more prebiotic-rich foods. This includes things like lightly green bananas, yes, the green ones, because they contain higher resistant starch and inulin levels than the ripe ones. But you can also eat things like sweet potatoes and yams, lentils, asparagus, and even dandelion greens to up your prebiotic intake. Focusing on the bacteria in your gut ensures that you are building a good foundation for your health. When you eat food, the material is digested in your stomach and sent down to your intestines. And here is where the microbiome really begins to do its magic. Once your food arrives in your lower digestive tract, your body and your microbiome begin to work with its components. The fiber, protein, and phytonutrients begin to be separated and assimilated. When the bacteria and yeast in your gut begin to digest the insoluble, resistant fibers, this fiber acts both as their food as well as the precursors to nearly every activity in your body. And here is where your body and your microbiome work together to create the chemicals and antioxidants and hormones and genetic material that your body needs to fuel proper cellular activity and augment your ability to detox. Another way of looking at it is that this fiber and other nutrients that your microbiome produces goes on from here to act as the raw materials your body uses to produce healthy genetic expression. This keeps your gut lining strong and begins to build healthy cells all throughout your entire body. This raw material moves through the gut lining and into your blood and tissues, where it will then move into other organs like the liver, bones, and brain, to later become the thriving you. Long story short, if you take care of your microbiome, you are taking care of every organ, tissue, nerve, and function in your body. If your microbiome becomes damaged or full of not so helpful creatures, your health and your quality of life will suffer. To learn more about your microbiome, please consider visiting the links in the description. Thank you for visiting the Sarvaa podcast, and remember, when you're loving your body, you're loving everybody.